Hi friends, today in Pechita is Priyamana Samayal, we are going to see about Indian abudalan side dish or fry. So for that we need Indian abudalan or otherwise known as abudalan indicum. This leaf generally looks like a heart shape and has a saw tooth like shape at the sides, and the top of the leaf will be dark green and bottom it will be bit light and soft texture. You can identify this leaf in most part of India. So the new leaf will be bit light green in color. So this is how it looks. I have already cleaned some leaf for cooking. So I just took the leaf and have removed the branches and stick and have washed this leaf well. And you can cut this leaf by rolling like this and chop with a small distance between, like this. So I have already chopped a few leaves for my preparation. So when you chop to this shape, this will reduce lot of your cooking time. So let's see the other required ingredients. Cooking oil, gingerly oil more preferably, mustard, black split gram lentils, 4 red chilies, and shallot onion. I have sliced them vertically. This is more preferable than the big onion. I have grinded coconut and cumin together with this consistency. And next is salt. Now we can start with the cooking process. Heat the pan and add 3 spoons of oil and allow until the oil is hot, and add the mustard and black gram lentils and keep watching. When the mustard start to burst, we can add the red chili. Now it is bursting, so I am adding the red chilies, and we need to continue to saute until the red chili turn to bit dark color. It's getting dark. So now we can add the onions, shallot onions. And continue to saute until the change of onions color. This abudalan is the main medicine for the problem called hemorrhoids or piles. Eating this side dish for 40 days, leaving the non-veg out, you will be completely solved out from the piles or hemorrhoids. Now onion is well cooked, so we will add the chopped leaf to the. Continue to saute until the leaf is well cooked. Coming back to medicinal aspects, apart from piles and hemorrhoids, this also solves the skin problem, tooth pain, and lot. So to list out the medicinal aspect, one video is not sufficient. Now the leaf is well cooked. I'm adding a spoon of turmeric powder to this and continue to saute. I'm adding a spoon of salt to this. You can add salt as per your requirement. Mix this well and we will close this with a lid and close it for 10 minutes. So meantime, between the 10 minutes, check twice and just turn it upside down and then close again. So it will be well cooked evenly throughout. So I'm closing it right now with the lid. I'm checking in between this 10 minutes and setting it just to turn it upside down. And again we will close this with lid and leave it for another 5 more minutes. I hope now this is well cooked. Now we can mix the coconut cumin powder to this. This will flavor up the dish with the sweetness. And just continue to saute until the coconut also well mixed, and keep observing for the color change. Now this is well cooked. You can try this at home and serve it hot. Have a happy and healthy meal. Hope you all liked it. Please comment your feedbacks. Do like and subscribe. Thank you friends. We'll catch up in next video.